안녕하세요. Chaidamin D Shanda Ibnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I will be unboxing my Facetory box. And this is for January 2018. Yes, I did say January 2018. I did not just get this box. I did get this box in January. I'm just late filming it and uploading it. That's all. But I'll put all the information down below about Facetory and this box and what's in it. It is so amazing. Let me tell you. And if you hear my dog barking, it's because he hears something back there. Anywho, back to the unboxing. Facetory is a monthly subscription. That is $20 a month. I believe $19.99 a month. Now, there are two types of subscriptions with Facetory. And basically what they are is you can get like a beginner box with like maybe 3 to 5 sheet masks. And by the way, this is a sheet mask, Korean like sheet mask box. So it's all about mask. If that's the thing that you like I do, this box is for you. Like I said, first option is for beginners. If you are new to sheet masks and you're not sure what to do, how to use them, it's kind of like a beginner tutorial, get that one. That one is like $7.99 a month. You get, I believe, 3 to 5 masks, or you can get the Lux 7, which is what I have. And those masks are more luxurious. There are more two-step masks in there. There's a lot of masks for different things like brightening and for hydration and for moisturizing, and they're just cooler. So if that's for the advanced mask wearer. So again, I will leave all the information down below about Facetory. Like I said, this is January 2018. Without further ado, let's get into it. And by the way, before I start, let me just tell you, when I do my unboxings, I rate them using the 3 Ps, which is presentation, product, and packaging. And the packaging for this is off the hook. Let me just tell you that right now. Packaging and presentation is off the hook. I love the box. Like I said, this is January. And we know it's January because it says Happy Holidays right there. And this is the paper that you probably can't see. It's got like little sparkly glitters in there. And I love glitter. So let's go ahead and open her up. Now this box does come with a card that looks like that there. That tells you all of the masks that are in this box. And again, this is the January Lux 7 box. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. This box was curated by Samage, and she's an I'm not sure if she's a YouTuber or what have you. She's an influencer somewhere on social media. So that's what that card looks like there. And on the back it says Believe in this pretty purple. So it's cute. All right, so I might be referring to this card every now and then for something. All right, so I have 7 masks here to get through. Let's go ahead and get started. This one is called I Don't Know Yesterday. This is a brightening mask, all right? That's what this looks like here. Excuse that siren in the background. Every time I film, the sirens want to start wailing in the background. This is what it looks like on the other side. Kind of tells you, like I said, how to put it on and whatnot. The instructions, by the way, are in English and in Korean. Lucky for me, I do know some Korean and how to read it, so I know what to do. But this is awesome. Next thing we have in here is, this is cool. This is a 2-step mask like I was telling you about. This is a no filter brightening camera mask. And it looks like a little camera. That's cute. And this is 2 steps. So you have 1 step here and then the mask is the 2nd step. So that's awesome. This is what the other side of the mask looks like. And by the way, when I do use masks, I try to incorporate a sheet mask into my skincare routine about twice a week, maybe 3 times a week sometimes. And I will post the mask that I'm using on Instagram, and I will post myself wearing the mask on Snapchat. So you want to follow me there? All the links will be down below. I'll scare you on Snapchat wearing one of these bad boys. It's a sight to be seen. Next up, we have Simply Win Cosmic Calm Soothing Stressed Out Skin Mask. Yes, Lord, we need this right here. Check that out. If you can see it, sorry for the glare. And this is the other side, what that looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. This is the Noji Modeling Mask Serum. This is very pretty. This is a soothing mask too. And I like the holographic shift. It's kind of like 3D. You can't tell on my camera here, but this is what it looks like. Look at that. That's going to be a gold. Maybe I should put this one on and scare people. That's going to be a pretty gold mask though. That's awesome. That's really, really cool. Next up we have is the Camellia Wrinkle Care Extreme Micro Silky Mask. And this one is for nutrition, for anti-aging, anti-wrinkling, and moisturizing. It's got this pretty lotus flower on here. This is from Jeju. It's certified from Jeju Island. That's one place I always want to go to in South Korea is Jeju Island. So beautiful. But I digress. This is what the front of the mask looks like. Here's the back of the mask right there. Couple more. Ooh, this one is the Juicy Mojito Clearing Mask, lime and peppermint. And that's what this mask looks like right here. Yesterday was National Margarita Day, so that kind of reminds me of a margarita, but it's not. It's a mojito. And this is the other side of the mask. Very pretty. Then I got one more, guys. Oh, heck yeah. This one is from MVP Lab. This is the Magic Bubble Mask. I actually may try this one. This is cool. Magic Bubble Mask. I've always wanted to try a bubble mask. So here's my chance and I got one. This is amazingly awesome. If you can see that. Alright guys, so that's everything. All 7 of my masks that I got in my Facetory bag or box rather. And I love this subscription. This one's going to definitely be a keeper. Like I said, I'll leave all the information down below. Packaging, presentation, products all get 2 thumbs up because everything is just amazing. And every month, this box is themed right here. So like this one had like a brightening theme. I know for October they had one that was all pink for breast cancer awareness. I'm wondering what I'm going to get for February. I'm not exactly sure yet because I haven't gotten February's box yet. But when I do, I will come on here and I will show you what I got. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers so much. And I will talk to you guys next time. You have a fantastic day. See you later. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나